Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you are new here, so what we basically do in this channel is, we explain a lot of things about Amazon KDP, how you can, everything about Amazon KDP, affiliate marketing, and some other online skills. Okay, so, but for today, we are going to be talking about this book cover design. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video how you can download and install Kiwi browser, because that is what you need. That is what you need, because you're not going to be making use of your Chrome. Okay, so because of extension, okay, so you need to download Kiwi browser. I'm going to show you that and how you can design your cover professionally. So I'm going to show you how this. So what I just need you to do for me is to um you know to relax, watch, and I'm going to put you through everything. It's very simple. It's very simple. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, please, I want you to subscribe, comment, and also like the video, so that anytime I drop videos, you will be the first person to get it. So let's dive into the video. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to install your browser. Okay, I believe everyone have Chrome. So just come to this search bar and type kiwi browser, kiwi browser apk download. So as you can see, we have lots of kiwi browser apk file here. So what I will just do is I will recommend a source for you where you can get a legit one. Do you understand? The one that won't be giving you trouble while installing it. So one of it is this Softonic website. You can get it from this website, this first website. You can get it from apkpure.com. You can get it here. Yeah, and you can also get it from this download it, which is from the Kiwi browser website. So I think this is okay. Let's try. And okay, actually I've installed it on my phone. Do you understand? I've installed the app on my phone. So let me just try to install it. If it's going to, let me click on this. Don't mind all these ads that are popping up. You just need to cancel it. Okay, so start download. So let's see if this will download, because I have not. I think the last one I tried, it's not from this website. So let me try. And okay, so having trouble with the download, click here to try again. So let's click on that. Oh, good. So it's going to tell you that file might be harmful. Just click on download anyway. But in case you get it from this website and it's not working as expected, so you can go to another website. So actually this is their main website. Okay, Kiwi browser fast quite.n.download. So this is their main website. You can get it from this Softonic website. Yeah, you can get it from here as well. Don't forget I've installed this thing. That's why I don't want to install it on my phone again. So you just need to just install it. Very simple. So once I'm done installing the app, so the next thing is to install an extension. Okay, so you need to install an extension. So how do you install extension? So like I said, this is, I've been using Chrome. I've been using Chrome to do my research, but I'm not going to use Chrome for this. So that is why you need to install your Kiwi browser. So once you are done installing the Kiwi browser, just open it. Okay, just open it. Being your first time, you're going to see something like this. What you need to do is to go to ChatGPT, chat GPT. Just type ChatGPT. Okay. Now go to their website. This is the first option. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to log in. Okay. So let me click on login at the top of the screen. Then I'm going to put my email address. Let me quickly put my email address, then click on continue. So okay, so okay, they sent a code to my email. Let me quickly check that and paste it. All right, good. So I have just you know confirmed my account. So I have confirmed the email. So now the next thing you need to do is to install an extension. Okay, you need to install an extension before you can get the book cover, which I have already explained from the beginning of this video, that you need to install an extension called, let me click on this, look at the top right corner of the screen. So click on this extension. Then you want to important recommendation, don't mind them, just click on OK. Then click on this from store. Okay, from store at the top left corner of the screen. So you want to add an extension called book book cover book cover creator, or let's do it like this: book creator AI suite. So this is the extension, just tap on it. So the reason why I asked you to install Kiwi browser is because of you, so that you'll be able to install this extension. I told you, you just click on OK. I'm adding the extension now. Don't forget, I click on add to is it add to Chrome right here. Then that, as you can see now, it's showing remove from Chrome. So I've already added it. So the next thing is to click on this three dotted line at the top of the screen. So once you click on that, you click on this extension. So just ensure it's toggled on like this. Do you understand? I just ticked it off. Just make sure it's on. Good. So once you have cross-checked that, you need to uh click on this three dotted line at the top of the screen. Okay, at the top right corner of the screen, then click on this AI suite. Sorry. So you want to click on this AI suite. When you scroll down, book cover AI suite. So it will now ask you to open ChatGPT. Do you understand? Open ChatGPT. And before you do that, ensure you have already opened your ChatGPT account, which is here. Good. So I open two tabs now. So one for my extension, which I just opened, and one for my ChatGPT. So now, once you have confirmed that, you need to click on this open ChatGPT. So it will now open your ChatGPT. Then okay, yeah, it's asking me to confirm this. Okay, welcome back. So just tap on your email. It will log you in. Okay, they still want me to put code. Let me quickly do that. All right, so I have confirmed that. So as you can see right now, they have opened the ChatGPT for me. Then now, as you can see this button, auto off, then continue. You are seeing something like auto off, continue. And at the bottom right of the screen, you are seeing this tool. So which, if you tap on it, as you can see, lots of features will pop up. Maybe you want to create a title, you want to design a book, you want to generate something which is general, or book cover design, metadata settings, and all of that. So this is the work of the extension. Do you understand? So now, let's say the title of your book is, you want to generate a book cover, right? So let's say the title of your book is just, okay, let me click on the two at the bottom right of the screen, which is this. Then you click on cover. Now once you click on cover, you want to enter the title of your book. Let's say the title of your book is the Mediterranean, the Medi did I get this thing right? Mediterranean diet cookbook. Let's say this is the title of your book, and the subtitle is how to cure, or let me put it this way, how to A complete guide to lose weight. Let's say this is your title, your subtitle, right? To lose weight, control cravings, and meta metabolism. I just put random stuff. Do you understand? So let's say your pen name is Dr. Smith. Dr. Smith. So you want to enter your book title, your subtitle, and your what and your pen name. So you click on generate. So it will generate a book cover prompt for you, not just a book cover prompt, a professional one. So it's going to generate it for you. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Good. So this is what is going to generate for you. This is what is going to generate for you. So now the next thing you want to do is to let's wait for it to generate whatever you want to generate. So let's wait for it. Good. I think it's done. So just click on this stuff. So you want to type now generate the book cover. Now generates the book cover. So let me zoom in so that I can you can see the button here. So you can do the same thing on PC. It works perfectly on PC. Do you understand? So now I want ChatGPT to generate the cover for me. Don't forget what I put. Now generates the book cover. So that's just what you need to tell ChatGPT is going to generate a professional book cover for you that even a graphic designer cannot come up with. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. I don't want to pause this video so that you know the processes. Okay, so it's polishing the details. Okay, finishing up. So let's wait for it. Wow, can you see how nice this book cover is? Imagine you getting this thing done like this and you upload on Amazon and customers are seeing your book. They are going to buy it. Do you understand? They are going to buy your book and you have a good, don't worry, I'm still going to do A plus content, how you can design your A plus content. I'm still going to do video on that. Can you see? So instead of you going on Canva designing book cover manually, do you understand? You, even if you spend 1 hour, you're not going to come up with something as good as this. I mean, you can try your best, but it's not going to be like this. I mean, see the gradients, see the fonts used, the images and all of that. Can you see? Can you see? So this makes sense. This makes sense. So I believe starting from today, this is what you should always use to generate your book cover. Either you're doing cookbook or any niche, engineering, what's it called, travel guide, any niche. Just this is what you need to give to ChatGPT, and it's going to deliver for you. Do you understand? So, and I believe this video is explanatory enough. So if you don't understand, just type at the comment section that you still want me to explain so stuff. Do you understand? Or probably maybe when I drop my one link, maybe you can reach out to me on WhatsApp if you have one or two questions you want to ask me about this, or if you don't get it. So, and if you want to demand for a video, what the WhatsApp link at the description section, just uh click on it. It will take you to my WhatsApp, then you can connect with me from there. So please kindly like, comment and share this video to your KDP colleagues. So see you in my next video. So bye for now.